We're live. Okay, that's my intro, by the way. And we're live. Okay. All right. So we're gonna be teaching example 3 and the last example on the page. All right. So you guys are good at this by now, yes? All right. So they tell you measure of angle 6 is 142. So let's put a 140, and hopefully you're labeling your drawings also 142 degrees right there. Okay. I'm gonna ask you the following questions. Just say the answers out loud. The measure of angle 1 is what?
142.
142. Why? Vertical angles, okay. Vertical angles. All right, I might actually just start using the angle sign to make it a little bit more streamlined. Vertical angles. Angles with an S. All right, measure, so I'm gonna actually put that in my drawing. 142 here, awesome. Measure of angle 2 is what?
38.
38, how do we know that?
Subtract 180. It's like supplementary.
Linear
Okay.
pairs.
I meant
So
that.
38, the reason is linear pair, and yeah, linear pairs mean they're supplementary, which means you're gonna subtract 180 to get the other one. So linear pair is what we're gonna say. Okay? Now let's go rapid fire. I'm not gonna write all these down, just angle and Y. 3. 142 right here, Y. Corresponding, you could do consecutive interior at this point or corresponding. So do you see how the reasons kind of like, they start adding? Number 4 we said was 38, or we didn't say that, but why? Why is that 38?
Corresponding.
Corresponding or linear pair, so let's just start avoiding the reasons. What's angle 7?
38.
38. What's angle 8?
142.
142, 142. And what's angle 5?
38.
38, okay? So we can see the whole drawing is made up of 38s and 142s. All right, if you get this on a test, these are the numbers you're looking for. Just two numbers. Okay, let's move on to the last problem. Here we go, erasing this. Are we good on that? Do we all understand?
Yeah.
Every single individual student understands.
Uh-huh.
We don't feel like because we're recording right now, we can't. I could pause the recording and answer your question. Or just have, honestly, the questions make the recording better, because whatever question the people watching later, you guys might have the same questions, okay? We're good? Those are crazy. Alright, here we go. Example 7, and I'm actually going to zoom in on this one because we're going to answer those questions, but I'm just going to take the information from the problem. I'm going to make it bigger so we can all see it perfectly. Okay, this one down here. Okay, is that good enough?
It's a little huge.
Too big? What? What's wrong with that?
You can't see the bottom two.
Yeah, at the top.
Fine.
Just zoom out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness, the people watching later are like, so unprofessional. Taking forever. Okay. Alright, so we have that little line in the middle, but we'll deal with it, okay? It's not too much in the way. Alright, so does anyone have the worksheet in front of them that can tell me the angle measures to plug in here? Ruben, yeah, go ahead.
Angle 2 is 41.
41 degrees here. What else?
5 is 94.
5 is 94 degrees here, yeah.
And 10 is 109.
And 10 is 109 degrees. Okay, so let's take the conversation to you guys. Can you help me fill in some of the angles here?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's not die. And again, yeah, okay. Give me some of the angles here. Yes, Sakar.
For angle 4, it's 86.
86, how do we know that?
Linear pair.
Yeah, it's a linear pair with this angle here. They're on a straight line. They share a side in common, being that side right there. All right, give me another one, Connor.
I got 109 for angle 4.
Wait, 109 for which one?
Angle 4.
109 for this one?
Did I do the math wrong?
Wait,
All right,
why?
so is it this or is it 109? Let's think about that. 109, why do you say 109? Give us your reasoning.
I got it like later though because it was like,
Oh, you went the other way around and then you came here to the end. All right, so I'm gonna spoil it. It is 86 because 86 plus 94 is 170, 180, 180. So that has to be that. Linear pair wins out. All right, so we're gonna keep that at 86. All right, but give me another one from the drawing. Do we know of any others? Is that the only one we can solve for without? Yeah, Rosalie?
1 is also 86 because it is corresponding to 4.
Yes, 1 is 86 degrees because it's corresponding, right? If you envision this parallel line extending, that one extending, you see the transversal there. Those two are corresponding angles, both top right, top right. Okay, Justin.
Is 7 109?
Is 7 109? What's your reason for that, Justin?
Because they're corresponding.
They are corresponding. Parallel lines, that's the transversal. Bottom left angle, bottom left angle. Yes.
So is 841? No.
Is 841.
No.
That I didn't get 41.
I don't think so, Zakari.
Yeah, for angle 3, I got
I probably shouldn't be saying your names, by the way, as I call an interview. Well, anyway, it's just for you guys. So, yeah, Zakari.
for angle 3, I got 53 because I added.
This one?
Yeah.
Angle 3, 53, because how?
Because I added 86 and 41 to get 180, and then subtracted by 180.
Yes, all three of these angles. Now, there's not a name for three angles forming a linear pair. It's always two, but all three of these angles must add up to 180 because they're on a straight line. Okay, so 86, 41, and then 53 over here. Yeah. Okay. There's still three angles left. Anyone? Yes, Lily?
Is 6 109 because it's like corresponding to 10.
Well, so 6 is not corresponding. This is the top left angle. That's the bottom left angle. So they're not entirely in the same relative location. Connor?
I got 71 for 6.
71 for 6. Yeah, 71 works because linear pair, yeah? Yeah. 71 degrees because linear pair with the 109. The linear pair is the easiest one to go to. It's just right next to it. Yeah. Caleb, do you have something for me?
Which ones are left?
8 and 9 currently.
What about 3?
Zakari.
For 8, I got 30 because I added 41 and 109 and subtracted by 180.
Okay, so what Zakari, you said 30?
Yeah.
So what Zakari is using is a principle called triangle sum theorem, which is that all the angles in a triangle must equal 180 degrees. This is actually a triangle right here. You see that? Okay, so if you add all three of these angles, they have to add up to 180. We had 2. We solved for the third. Makes sense. Okay, you didn't have to use that reasoning, by the way. There's other ways to get there without using things that are in our future mathematically. But all right, last one, number 9. What is that one? Yeah, Ruben. 41. 41. Also, alternate interior angles here, right? 41 because these have to add up to 180. But if you see the parallel line, and if you ever need to, just like extend the parallel lines a little bit further, and then draw the transversal, because there's multiple transversals, right? Draw the transversal you're talking about, the one that you want to hone in on. So yeah, 41 alternate interior angles. Okay, so, all right, we good? Okay, that's it. Let's stop recording now. You guys can act normal again.